While he stood in prayer, the angels called out to him. Allah gave him great tidings of a son named Yahya, a child pure, righteous, and chosen by Allah. Zakariya (salam) was amazed. How could this be? He was old and his wife was barren. But Allah said, "It is easy for me." Zakariya (salam) asked for a sign from Allah. He was told he could not speak for 3 days except through gestures. Yet his heart remained in constant remembrance of Allah. The story of Zakariya (salam) teaches the power of sincere dua. No matter the age, no matter the situation, Allah can do all things. Never lose hope, for Allah answers even the quietest prayers.